¿Qué lo que? What are we getting, brother?
I don't know.
What if we just rice out your car today? We buy like the...
I'm thinking that. I've been wanting to do a video like that where we come to AutoZone or O'Reilly's and get like the most rice stuff. Because I think they sell like rice stuff.
Yeah, like the steering wheel phone, like things, you know? Like the carpets, the covers.
It's definitely the rice stuff. Oh, hell no.
Look at it. What about one of these? This is like my car. That. And then you got these mats. And then you...
With that outfit we were wearing yesterday.
We're gonna go fishing in the GTR today, brothers.
Should I really buy one of these?
Okay, no, right now, later on. No.
Alright, if you guys want to see this video in the future, we'll rice out my GTR. Comment down below. We'll really make that happen. Rice out GTR. Oh, we'll get like some of these. That video's gonna be sick.
Yeah, that video will be lit.
Oh, you put neon.
No, okay, that's doing the most.
Orange.
Alright, let's get what we came to get.
Where you at?
O'Reilly's.
AutoZone or O'Reilly's?
buy,
I think I said AutoZone when we were
a new
coming.
motor. A new engine for my GTR.
I said new motor.
David gave me calentura, bro.
For real?
I swear to God, like I'm sick. I called off today. I feel like I'm dying
Why you
now.
right there with Nick?
So I could give it a hand?
I'm immune, fool.
You're gonna be into what? Go to chlamydia?
Chlamydia and all the above. What should I do? Like satin, like gloss? Probably gloss, right?
Yes, your car's gloss, bro.
Can I get help with the spray paint? She gave us the key, brother.
I got the keys. I got the
They
keys.
recognize me. For some reason, I come here a lot. I'm an employee now. Do that.
Semi-gloss?
My glass. There you go. Let's get it. Should we take this?
You ain't down to one of those right now. Dominic Toretto right now.
You know my GTR. We really daily drive a GTR.
Not we, you.
Well, I'll show you. This is gonna be the fastest DIY I've ever done in my life. Hopefully it works. I mean, I can't mess up the side skirt. It's already fucked up. This is just gonna help us save money. I feel like I drive like an asshole, bro. I feel like people hate me.
You do. Oh my God.
All right, let's do it. Anyways, what's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. So as you guys seen, we went to the store, got some spray paint. And the reason why, if you guys did not watch my last couple of videos, I actually scratched my side skirt on a curb. You ready, brother? Look at this. Oh my God. It's actually worse than I remember. I haven't looked at it. It's also almost falling off, by the way. All the clips fell off. All the clips fell off, but... But the reason why I bought the black spray paint, because I'm hoping that if we just cover all the white scratches, it'll look better. It'll be harder to notice. Because like this, it's bright white, so you can literally notice the big scratch.
Even on the freeway.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Hopefully this helps, and if it does, then there you go. I just saved you guys a lot of money. Because these are not cheap. I'm pretty sure it's like $1,000 for the set. And I only need one. So why the freak am I gonna spend $1,000?
But if you're doing this to your GTR, I don't know, brother. That's on you.
Yeah, I don't know. This is the budget fix, you know? Budget builder here. Budget GTR. I scratched the front lip about like a year ago, and my dad actually did this to my front lip. Cause I was literally gonna buy a whole new front lip because of this one little scratch. But look, you can't even see it. I mean, it needs a little bit more now, but this was really bright white, just like the side skirt. And my dad literally put black paint, and you can't really tell.
You know, the difference about my car and your car, I don't think mine has white. Mine's just hella broken.
Yeah.
It was like done.
Should we show 'em?
It's just not lit.
So Hugo did the same exact thing I did, and look at his took a whole chunk out, bro, on the curb.
But you see, it's no white.
Yeah, that's a whole chunk.
So
out.
even at night, you can't see it. It just looks chueco. And then you got the other side.
Chueco?
You got the other side.
Well, no, you hit both
But
side skirts, dude.
this one is like this, look.
But they both happen the same way? You hit a curb?
Same thing. Same thing, guys. So please be cautious when you guys park next to curbs. Like, fully pull out, bro.
We're gonna try to fix it right now. I mean, temporary fix. If this looks good enough, I'll save my money and I won't buy side skirts. But if it still looks like crap, I'm gonna end up buying new side skirts. This is my dad's little technique. Let me show you what he just did, bro. I was like, no way you did that, Dad.
Don't tell me he sprays the rag. I already got it.
Bro,
That works.
it works. This is what my dad did, guys. I've seen fresh kicks. He put black nail polish on stuff like that. And you can't tell, like the black nail polish kind of like makes it kind of carbon fiber look like dark gray. Oh shit, she's going through. Oh shit, my shoes. Just tap it. And honestly, bro, it does not look that bad.
What the hell?
This is that DIY, guys. Everyone that has messed up carbon fiber, I want you guys to recreate this video and tag me. Tag me in your videos, brother. Whoa, look from far.
No, you can't even notice it.
On the freeway, people are gonna think I got brand new side screens. Tell me that's not the best idea I've ever came up with.
Your dad, not you. Don't take your dad's credit.
Yeah, my dad's idea. I'm too old to know what's MacGyver, bro? You know what it is? I think we're too old.
We're too young?
I mean, we're too young.
Right there? No. Go a little bit on top, no?
And I guess. There you go. Bro, tell me it's not the best idea we ever came up with.
Look it through the camera, bro.
It looks like brand new.
It was a white stain, guys. Looks way better now.
If you want to save yourself $1,000, come on, bro. You can't beat this. It was $8. $8 piece.
Look, can't even notice it.
I'm about to touch up everything now.
Okay, you're tripping, brother. At nighttime, most definitely nobody's gonna be able to tell. Right now, I can't even tell. It's already sunset.
At the night car meets, bro, no one's gonna tell. We're done. Just like that. We fixed carbon fiber. Bro, the lip looks brand new.
You do it.
DIYs with Nick. Comment below if you want to see more DIYs. But don't trust me. But it works.
It worked.
Bro, I'm gonna be the same person forever. Like if I got a Pagani,
same thing.
anything, yeah, you're gonna see me doing the same thing, bro, to my Pagani.
Imagine a Pagani lip, 10 bands or something.
I'm for sure.
Hell no.
Bro, I'm gonna be forever the same person, brother.
Oh man, I know. Rotating your tires when they're about to blow up.
I'm gonna keep them to those wires. I'm always on a budget, bro. That's how you gotta do it. Guys, look at this. I'm down. My homie Juan's dad's truck. It's a Ford. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a Super Snake Shelby, bro. Damn, it's really hard to see. It's super dark. Whoa.
My second time driving it.
No. No que marca?
I'm scared I have it on two-wheel drive though.
Tacuache? Tacuache Nick, bro. Why do people say buscando Nick? What is that?
Cause finding.
For real? What's buscando Nick? Bro, I don't know Spanish, bro.
Bro, if I get a ticket, I'm not getting my fucking CCW no more. I'm not even joking, bro.
Oh, hell no, fool. Does he know we're in? Does this truck just attract other trucks?
No fucking way,
bro. Oh my God, bro. Tell the race.
A la verga, no mames, güey.
No mames, güey?
I never done a pull like that.
Bro, that shit was fast.
That shit jumped.
For a truck, guys, this shit is crazy. It's single cab, so it's like a small ass truck, but that shit's sick.
Bro, this is my first pull in this shit. I'm not even joking.
Oh, shoot. It's just fast, bro. That shit sounds crazy. Should we do another video on this, guys? Go take it somewhere? Go swing it? Do some
I
donuts?
feel like swinging it right now.
Look at the owner of Shelby or what?
Yeah,
Super Snake.
They sign it.
No way it has manual. Bro.
Scared. He's scared to get in the car.
Your dad? Yeah. Why is he scared?
No, es la 4. Rápido, más rápido.
He's that scared to get driving. I know, look, they also got a tree service, guys. My homie Juan, his little tree service company. If you guys need trees cut, they'll do it.
Show him the color of the truck.
Yeah, he cuts trees, guys. He actually cut some trees from my house too.
Check out the color of the truck.
But, oh, now you can see the actual truck. Damn, you got a light? That's what we needed. Yeah, that's just sick. Now you can see the Super Snake. Oh, look, that is blue. I thought it was black. And that's why it's so loud. Look, the exhaust is right there, bro. Yeah, that shit's sick. Muy perro?
That shit's
How you say it?
Muy perro? That's muy perro. Look at that. That's muy perro.
Should we race him with the GTR? Comment down below, guys. Maybe we'll do it for another video. We'll have Juan take it out. We'll race the GTR versus my truck.
I'll crash that shit right now.
His truck versus my GTR. Bro.
Oh, you want Tylenol?
Bro, both these guys are sick, guys.
You want Tylenol?
Both of them. And I'm probably next.
Yeah, I actually have one. My mom said to take ibuprofen. No, bro. Oh, same shit. No, she said it's stronger.
David got sick from Coachella and gave it to both of us. Now Hugo has a fever.
I called off today.
The
I really
gripa or
felt
what?
sick. Like, I didn't call off just to call off, bro. I really felt sick. And right now, is I don't even think I'm going to work tomorrow, bro. I swear.
He has the gripa or what?
Yeah, bro. Imagine me, bro. I had to go work. If you wanted to, bitch, I got PTO. I'm going to use that shit.
Alright, let me rewalk that. Hey, what's up, bro?
Look who it is. Bro, I haven't seen you in so long, bro.
Bro, it's been too long, bro.
Hey, where you area, huh?
Yeah, this is my hometown.
You're hood, bro.
How far are you from the pad?
Huh?
How far are you from the pad?
Like 12 minutes.
Oh, you
finally,
chilling,
I'm
damn.
chilling, bro.
Yeah.
Me.
We just made it to a car meet, guys.
Damn,
Yeah, it's at Laney's Hood.
We got
Look at the homies RA, bro. That shit is perfect. We're gonna go look at it right now, but literally like my dream freaking car, bro.
That was it?
It's perfect. Look at it.
Yo, Nick.
What's up?
Park it right there.
All right, we made it. What's up, bro? How's it going? What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Rap, bro.
Huh?
You have a little bit of
I
rap
know.
here.
Help me take it off, bro. Help me take it off.
Big ass fan, bro.
Oh my god, look at this R8, guys. I told you, it's literally the sickest R8 I've ever seen. One of the sickest, for sure. Sorry for the loud music. I don't want to get copyrighted, bro, but so I gotta talk loud. But look at it, this thing is so perfect. It's satin black, has the wing that I want. Hugo made it. Are you okay, bro? Are you getting worse?
I'm getting worse.
You couldn't even bring his car.
I feel dizzy,
He left
bro.
his car at my house. Why? You got the gripa?
Not even. I just have calentura.
Calentura? What is that? You gotta teach me all these words, brother. Fever? Calentura? Tenemos gripa.
When you're full of mucus and shit. Like,
This thing is so clean, guys. Like, I want to already so bad, and satin black is honestly a color that I want to do. It's on bags. It has the wing that I want. It's literally perfect, guys. I'm telling you, I think satin black's the wave. I might do it on the GTR next.
Bro, put the wing back on.
You like the wing?
Put the wing back on.
Bro, should I do satin black on my GTR?
I think it would be clean, but
It's kinda
they
pointless,
might
huh?
be mad 'cause it's too.
That's what I was saying.
Same
thing, bro.
Yeah.
It's kind of pointless go black to black, but
Yeah.
the satin does look good, though.
Do look good though. I ain't gonna
Shit
lie.
looks hard. That shit looks like a freaking Batmobile, bro. Already? Dude, I want this car so bad, guys. I think it's worth the trade, huh? Instead of a GTR. Especially like this, on bags and everything. Get my stuff bust? Damn! If you guys don't know, this is D-Got Connect. He does a bunch of stickers and stuff like that. And merch. But he printed me these stickers for the Z giveaway finally.
go.
Now we can reveal it.
There it is, bro.
I
Thank
need,
you, bro.
I need to start selling stickers, bro. I'm alright. Oh! God damn! Bro, he has the freaking intake out the hood. That's Texas, bro. I swear, everyone in Texas had it like that. Man, that shit sounds crazy, huh? That's the older vet. C5, right? Look at that shit.
I was like, I like the box body more.
You like the box body?
Box body, like, oh, you see it? That shit
Yeah, I
was
like
like
the
a sick
box
ass
body.
time.
Damn, look a Viper, guys. Looks like an older one, but it's still sick. You like the song? Nah, 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 nah.
We need more drinks now.
So we going to get drinks or what?
That's what we're gonna do.
It's a bar. They said that FindingNick gets free food.
I know. And his companion.
I'm a passenger princess.
Yeah, bro. Fuck.
What the? I've never seen wilds on a freaking. What is that? Cherokee? What the? No. Chris?
It's Durango. How come?
It's TJ Hunt. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey, yo, it's TJ Hunt over here. I don't care. Should I get one?
Damn.
What do you guys think? Sell that F80?
David's actually considering getting a Hellcat over the F80, guys. What do you think?
Oh, you guys are do it, bro.
You want to do it?
Bro, no, I mean, that's what I'm saying.
I would too. I'm not gonna lie. But the Charger, the wide body ones though. That one's not wide body, but yeah, these are sick. Those are Hellcat wheels, I think. Dugo! Oh, we found the Mustang squad over here. Sick ass foods. The revving starting. There's a G80 over here. There's also another one that just passed by, but I like that green color, guys, that the G80's come in. That just stands out a lot. I almost did a rap like that at one point on my 892. I didn't even see this. R32 wide body, bro. What the heck? That's crazy. Right-hand drive, too. It's so dark, so you can't see, but now you guys can see, look. Wide body R32. Damn, that's pretty crazy. Sheesh. These are the two that came in. The freaking crazy Corvette. And this one. Oh my gosh, Pro Charge. God, there's a roll cage too. Ooh, a Supra. That's hard. Look at this. 5 foot a single turbo. I'm assuming it's fast. I don't know. It has drift wheels on it. It's like a drift setup. That's David right there. I wonder if he drifts it.
Is it drift car?
Probably. He has the Conce on there. Conce wheels. Usually you see like Supras all dragged out, but some people use them for drift cars. I know, E92, satin white. I'm pretty sure it's paint too. We've seen them plenty of times at a bunch of car meets. It's just hard, dude. The wheel setup on bags, like how mine was.
Those actually look really good on E92.
Yeah, it's just nice. The polished work wheels. Jeez. Damn it, Evo on bags too. It's pretty sick. Yeah, taillights.
This shit does go hard. Look at the carbon.
Oh yeah, carbon trunk, dude. That shit looks brand new. And then a wide body 350Z. This is what I kind of wanted to do to my Z.
I feel like you can never go wrong with it.
But now we're giving it away. As you guys seen, we just got the stickers from Decal Connect. So that means we're gonna be announcing the 350Z giveaway very, very, very soon. Probably like started like next week, literally. Because I need to get rid of that car already. And I want one of you guys to get it already too. But I want it out of my garage. So I can hurry up and freaking put a BMW in that garage now. Oh! These are clean. I've always been a fan of those Subis. But yeah, I'm trying to get rid of the Z ASAP so that we can hurry up and bring a BMW to the channel already. F80, G80, I don't know. But first thing first, we need to get rid of the 350Z. So next week, we're going to be announcing the giveaway. Again, I'm going to sell stickers for I think $50 on my website. And every single purchase of a sticker is your entry for the giveaway. So if anyone wants... Camaro? So yeah, you guys can buy as many stickers as you want, as many entries as you want, but $50 stickers are gonna get you entered into winning the car. And there's only gonna be like 300 stickers available, so make sure whenever I announce it, you guys hurry up and grab them, because you guys can literally win a 350Z for $50, bro, which is insane. I wish I got my 350Z for 50 bucks. And I can't wait till it goes to one of you guys, bro. It's gonna be awesome. One of my freaking supporters are gonna get my car. And we'll make it a whole vlog and everything. You guys can come pick it up wherever you guys are from. Hopefully not too far.
Thank you, love.
Hopefully someone that buys it is local, but even if you're out of state, you guys can fly out and get the car and stuff like that. Make a whole vlog about it. Man, that wrap is sick.
It is.
It's like blue, but it has pink in it in the light.
Like pink sparkle.
And it matches the freaking underglow. Look at this thing, guys. Pink Hellcat. It's really a Hellcat too. Pink wide body Hellcat. Boy got pink wheels too. Imagine GTR in that color.
That would look like the PQ one.
Oh yeah, PQ has a pink GTR on. It's clean. 46 M3. You want one of these, huh?
These are hard, bro. They're so much.
I know, they're expensive.
As a daily, bro, then you can't tell me this shit's not hard.
Nah, bro, that shit's hard. Sick. C8? They're feeling themselves on.
I would too.
Porsche?
Bro, these are so hard.
Yeah, these, bro, they're really nice. The wide body ones, guys, I would even consider getting one. All black though. Hellcat wide body.
Snack.
It is a little snack, but I'm down. I feel like I raced that guy before. I'm not even gonna lie. The homie Kevin's out. The R8. This R8 is just so perfect. Nice, dude. It's literally perfect, bro. Oh my god. Goals. I should trade the GTR, huh?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is